Hi everyone, welcome to Try No Code. Today we're gonna see how to make a floating footer, and for that we need a plugin called Elements in Vue. So firstly we have to install it, and to install it go to the plugin tab and click on Add Plugins. In the search bar menu, search for Elements in Vue and install it. Now go back to the Design tab. To make a floating footer we need two groups. One group should be of normal type and another one should be of a floating type. So in the container, select group, place it on your page, and name it as a normal footer. Remove its style, give its background style to flat color and select any color you want. And one thing to remember that this should not be visible at page load, so we are going to uncheck it and place it at the bottom of your page. Now to make another group, just copy this group and paste it on your page. Name it as a floating footer and replace this group with floating group and place this group also at the bottom. Now go to the visual element tray and select Elements in Vue, place it on your page, double click on it, and in the elements input box enter any unique name you want to give it. So I'm giving it hi, and interval value should be as low as possible, so I'm giving it 10. You can give it anything below 50. Now select shape in the visual element tray, drop it on your page, make it background none, and its dimension should be as low as possible, so I'm giving it 1 for the width, 1 for the height. It should be placed at the bottom left of your page, so x should be 0, and the the page height is 950. So for shape we are going to place it uh, at 950, 949. So it will automatically place at the bottom left. Now we have to give conditions for both our groups. So for floating group we okay, so another thing is the for our floating group it should float relative to our bottom, so select bottom from here, and in the condition tab we have to give condition that when elements in views a value doesn't contain high, so this group should be visible. And for the normal footer we are going condition just opposite to the last one. So when elements in view a values contains high, this group should be visible. And make sure that it is off at page load. Now go to the visual element tray and select text. Now copy some text from another site and paste it in the text box, and now we are going to preview it. So as you can see, our footer is of floating type. Thanks for watching, guys.